Hello everyone, this video is used for training purposes only. No real students or data is portrayed in this video. Likeness to any real person is purely coincidental. Today we're going to take a look at how to find our struggling students within our courses at our school in PowerSchool. One of the greatest reporting tools that we have inside of PowerSchool is our enterprise reporting features. So I'm going to point us to System Reports, Enterprise Reporting, and there is a Historical Grades report. This report allows you to look at the grades that have been stored for students across your school or district, where you can then filter for whatever particular grades you were looking for. So we just finished up the third quarter here. So let's say that you're looking for students who have failed a course for third 9 weeks because you want to make sure that they're on track, get supports needed to possibly pass fourth 9 weeks and be able to pass the course. So when you come into this report to begin with, you're going to see all grades that have been stored historically forever in your district. So you want to go through and at first do some filtering. Now, some of the filtering I'm going to do basically on this screen across these headers. So the first thing I want to do is look at the current school year. That's what I want in my search right here. So I'm going to scroll and select this filter to just look at this school year. Now notice we have a myriad of codes right here. So in my setup, I have quarter 1, 2, 3 exams, some final grades that have already been issued. So, but for my specific purposes today, I want to look at everyone who finished quarter 3 and grab any student who might have failed a course. So I'm going to click on my store code header and I'm going to filter it to only my quarter 3 grades. So now I would see all grades that have been stored across quarter 3. Now, if I want to filter to only look for those who might have failed a certain course, I'm going to come up here to actions and filter. And I have two columns. I have grade and percent, but I'm going to grab the percent. And I'm going to say, show me everyone who is less than a 60 because 60 determines a pass rate inside of my district. At that point, I can then see my list of students throughout the whole school, what course it was, the teacher's name, and what their grade is. Once you have that report, you can, of course, then download it in a myriad of ways. You can also save this report. If this is a report that you know that you're going to come back to each year, you can come to Actions, Save Reports, and we can call it our third quarter failure list and apply. What that does is it lists it up here in our different types of reports that we have. You end up having a private one. So if I were to close out of that report and come back to reporting inside of that report, notice it kind of starts out the same way. I could always go back and immediately let it apply those filters. The only thing I would have to change from year to year would be get rid of that 2022 designation and then refilter for whatever school year you might be looking at. So as we go into 2023, you would filter it to 2023 and so forth. And you can always just click back on here and grab whichever school year you would like to look at.